Are you spending way too much time and money on making content? If you are looking for a smart approach to editing and creating videos, well, I have a great solution to introduce you today. Meet Wisecut, an editor tool that uses AI and voice recognition to edit videos automatically. Wisecut helps you to post engaging video content in minutes, so you spend less time editing and creating videos efficiently. Wisecut is 100% browser-based, so you don't have to install anything on your desktop or mobile. In this video, I'm going to take you through the process of creating videos with Wisecut step by step. So let's get started. Before starting any project, make sure you sign up with Wisecut at wisecute.video. Once the account setup is done, you can sign in with your email and it brings you to the main page. Upload your video to Wisecut. Select your video clips, open it, and upload all the files. In one of the uploaded videos, I have the introduction video with some pauses, as you can see from here. Alright, so let's do this audio test. I'm going to do a short pause. Continue again. Okay, introducing to the next clip. Click on Next. Name your project. Enter the spoken English language. The Wisecut also features AI tools that can help you streamline the process of this video editing. For example, this will remove awkward silence for you, such as long pauses in between your speech. You can disable smooth cuts to make less cuts in your silences to make your sound more natural. The smart background music automatically finds music for your content. Unless you're posting on TikTok, I don't recommend you select this option as you can find trending sounds on TikTok. You can enable the auto dark feature because it will lower down the volume of the background music if there's a voice. You can choose to activate the auto punch in punch out feature if you want to have the zoom in and zoom out for your video. You can enable the background noise cancelling feature to remove any low frequency noise such as the sound of the fan or air condition. Create project. So let's wait for Wisecut to process the video and it will notify us by email once it's done. After Wisecut has done its magic, it will share you the stats that tells you the detailed process done to your video. You can even preview your video to ensure that it meets your expectations. So let's do this audio test. I'm gonna do a short pause. Continue again. Okay, introducing to the next clip. Once done, let Wisecut process the video. If you need to make more edits, Wisecut storyboard feature makes it easier for you to do the editing work. You can choose to delete some of the scenes, or you can choose to split the scene into two. I could even change the music volume to make it more subtle. Once you're done, let's click on Preview and Export. When you're done editing, you can export for your social media from YouTube to TikTok. You can download the finished videos and you can even download the subtitles and transcript. So let's preview one more time. Alright, so let's do this audio test. I'm gonna do a short pause. Continue again. Okay, introducing to the next clip. Wisecut has a free plan and you can sign up to test it. It entitles you to 30 minutes of processing time, resolution of 720 pixels, and with 2 gigabytes of storage. Since it is a free plan, the videos are watermarked. If you are seriously considering the solution, you can opt for the starter or professional options. So that's it for today's tutorial on Wisecut. I hope you find this video helpful and informative. If you have any questions or feedback, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Do give us a like and subscribe to channels for more contents such as this. And thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.